Last period we had seen preparation of trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet under final accounts with adjustment. So we will continue the same problem. So bad debt it is over. Next, provision for discount on debtor. Provision for next to provision for discount on debtor. Provision for discount on debtor. Provision for discount on debtor. So how to calculate provision for discount on debtor? From debtors, we have to minus further bad debt. We have to minus new provision, that into 5%, that into 5%. Okay, means 48,500 minus 2009-10. So 45,590. 45,590 into 5%. 2279.5 will get a round figure. We will write 2,280. Okay, provision for discount on debtor. Provision for discount on debtor. So over. Now you have to look at each adjustment, whether you wrote all the adjustment or not. First one, depreciation on machinery. We didn't write that adjustment, so we have to write to depreciation on machinery. To depreciation on machinery. To depreciation on machinery. %, so 20,000 in the trial balance machinery is given 20,000 5%, 1,000. Depreciation on machinery 20,000 into 5%. Next, second adjustment, the further bad debt that we wrote. Everyone turn on your video. Depreciation on machinery already we wrote. Second, further bad debt we wrote. Discount on debtor we wrote. Doubtful debt we wrote. Wages prepaid we wrote. Interest on investment we wrote. Interest on investment we wrote. Closing stock also we wrote. Over. So we have to balance. Tell me total credit side. Credit side is more. $86,555. Okay, 86,555. 86,555. 86,555. To credit side is more, net profit, income is more. To net profit transferred to capital account. Net profit transferred to capital account. Balance. Tell me the balance. 52,565. Okay. 52,000. 52,565. Okay. So profit and loss account is over. Next, balance sheet. Liabilities amount, assets amount. Balance sheet as on. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2014. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2014. Tomlin remaining, we did provision for discount on debtor. From debtor, you have to minus further bad debt and new provision, that into 5%. Then you have to look adjustment. First depreciation into machinery into 5%. Then other all adjustment we already did. Okay, then we have to calculate net profit or net loss. Here net profit. Okay, then balance sheet. So first we have to look the trial balance. Debit side first you have to look. Debtors it is given. So debtors, cash in hand also there, cash. Debtors. So it is given 50,000. Adjustment is there. Everything you have to minus. Less further bad debt. Less further bad debt. 1,500. Less new provision for doubtful debtor. Less new provision for doubtful debtor. New provision for doubtful debtor 2009-10, less provision for discount on debtor, provision for discount on debtor, provision for discount on debtor. So already we calculated 2,280. So we'll get a 43,310. Okay. So next cash in hand, cash at bank. Asset, no, you have to look any adjustment. No adjustment. 20. Then cash at bank. Cash at bank 40,000. No adjustment. Next machinery. Machinery. One adjustment is there. Machinery 20,000. Adjustment is there. Less depreciation. Less depreciation. Less depreciation. We wrote in the profit loss account 1,000. So 19,000. Next investment. Investment. So you can do one thing. So if any accrued interest is there, if you write the separate also no problem. Otherwise, we can add with investment. Clear? Here interest on investment is there. So at the time of maturity, we'll get the investment amount plus interest asset. Add accrued interest on investment. Interest on investment. We wrote in the profit and loss account 1,555. Okay, so 24,255. 24,255. Okay, so otherwise you can write separately investment 3,000
Sir,
separate accrued interest. Okay,
sir,
tell.
24,655.
Sorry, 24,600. Sorry. Here 1,155. Okay, you look that it is correct now. Accrued interest 1,155. No, we wrote profit and loss accounts. Check 1,155.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, 23,100. I did that mistake. Here 1,000. 1,155. So 24,255. So next, so trial balance, inside the trial balance over, then credit side you have to look. Creditors, any adjustment? No. If any provision for discount or creditor, that we have to minus. Creditors 10,000, no adjustment. Bills payable, no adjustment. Bills payable, no adjustment. 20,000. Next, next capital only. Capital. So 75,000. Here net profit. If it is net loss, less. It is net profit, add. Okay. In the profit and loss account, net profit we got 52,565. 52,565. Okay, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 7. One lakh 27,565, because no drawings is there. No drawings. Okay, no drawings in this question. Now, after looking the trial balance, next we have to look adjustments. Each adjustment you have to look. First, depreciation we wrote. Next, further bad debt, provision, discount on debtor we wrote. Wages prepaid, that we didn't write. Wages prepaid, where it will come, Tomlin. Wages prepaid, prepaid wages, asset or liability?
Sir, asset.
Asset. Okay, normally we have to write here current asset, prepaid wages. Two more, three more is there. So prepaid wages 1,000. Next, interest on investment already we wrote. If you write separate also no problem. Okay, if you write separate also no problem. Next, closing stock. So that is also a asset. Closing stock 10,000. Over. Every item we wrote depreciation, further bad up to provision, discount on debt. Wages prepaid, interest on investment we wrote, closing stock also we wrote. Discount debt to make a provision for debt for investments. Next 3, 4. Then we can do ninth one, 9, 9. Okay. 3, 4, 9. Then I have to teach remaining adjustment. Then only I can continue. Okay, no? So total 37, 57. So it is easy if you look at the liability side. 1,57,565. Now third. Now we can do third one, fourth one, and ninth one. Then I have to teach remaining adjustment. Then we can solve all the problem. Okay. Okay. Now third one, just you look at whether it is already you know. That's why I am not asking. Okay. Look at that. Purchases. Third question, purchase trading account, opening stock trading account, return inward trading account, carriage inward trading account, cash in hand as balance sheet, cash at bank balance sheet, wages trading account, printing and stationery profit and loss account, discount profit and loss account, bad debt profit and loss account, insurance profit and loss account, investment balance sheet, debtors balance sheet, bills receivable balance sheet, postage and telegram profit and loss account, commission profit and loss account, interest profit and loss account, repair profit and loss account, lighting charges profit and loss account, telephone charges profit and loss account, carriage outward profit and loss account, motor car bank balance sheet asset. Next, credit side, sales trading account, return outward trading account, interest received profit and loss account, discount received profit and loss account, creditors balance sheet liability, bills payable balance sheet liability, capital balance sheet liability. Adjustment same like last question, further bad debt, discount on debtor, making provision for debtor. One thing you have to remember, first we have to calculate further bad debt, then provision for doubtful debt, then only discount debtor. But second they are given discount on debtor, but one thing you have to remember, first we will calculate provision for doubtful debt, then only discount on debtor. Next, interest on investment. So on the base of investment only, with the interest we have to add, that we know, then balance sheet asset. Then wages and interest outstanding, we know that with add both item. Then depreciation on motor car, closing stock. So simple adjustment only. Okay, we'll start trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2014. So we'll start DR CR. So already I said format, the carry mark, narration carry mark. So 1/4 mark will go if you are not writing a format narration like that. Okay. To opening stock. Opening stock, no adjustment, 50,000. Next, to purchases. Credit side return is there. To purchases, 1,50,000 less purchase return less purchase return. It's return outward. If you write return outward also no problem. 4,500. The next wages, first wages, outstanding is there. Carriage inward you can write. Okay, in your to wages, then we will write carriage inward. Wages is there, so you have to look any adjustment. Yes, adjustment is there. Outstanding, we know that outstanding add outstanding wages 100 2,500. Next to carriage inward, to carriage inward, to carriage inward 4,500, 4,500, carriage inward 4,500 wages. Next any item? No. Next by sales, by sales 2,50,000, by sales 2,50,000. Debit side any return? Yes, less return inward, return inward, return inward it is given 2,000, so 2,48,000. Then by closing stock, by closing stock it is given in the adjustment 32,500, 32,500. Okay, now we have to balance. Like 48,000. Credit side is more 2,80,500. One underline to gross profit C bar D carried out 1,95,500, 96, 98, 2,02,500. Okay, so debit side 2,02,500. So difference amount 78,000. Okay, by gross profit B bar D 78,000. Next, profit and loss account. Debit side salary is there, salary no. So we'll start to printing and stationery. To printing and stationery, no adjustment. Printing and stationery. To printing and stationery 4,500. Next discount, discount no adjustment to discount. To discount 400. So if any amount is wrong, you have to tell. Next bad debt we will write last. Next insurance, insurance no adjustment, insurance no adjustment 2,500. To insurance 2,500. Next after insurance postage and telegram no adjustment to postage and telegram. Postage and telegram, postage and telegram 400. Postage and telegram 400, no adjustment. Postage and telegram. Next commission, no adjustment, commission, next commission, no adjustment to commission, no adjustment 200. Next interest, one adjustment is there, you can see interest outstanding. Okay, interest received on investment means with related to income, it is related with the expenses. Interest 1000, sorry, adjustment is there 1000, add outstanding interest, it is given third adjustment 200, so 1200. Next repair, no adjustment to repair, for 440. Next lighting charges, no adjustment to lighting charges. If it is factory lighting means trading account, lighting charges 500. Next telephone charges to telephone charges no adjustment 100. Next carriage outward, no adjustment, carriage outward 400. Okay, 400 carriage outward. Next motor car asset only. Then credit side we have to look discount received, then interest received and discount received. Whenever you write interest received, adjustment is there by interest received, it is given 3500, add accrued interest, means accrued interest received on investment. So you have to look 6%, 5% it is given, so you have to look investment amount 32,000 into 5%. Okay, 32,000 into 5%, so that is 1,600, 4,100, 5,100. Next one more item, discount received by discount received, no adjustment related to discount received 400. Okay, interest received, add accrued interest is calculated on the base of investment, interest on received on investment, that also you can write. Okay, then we will write bad debt to bad debt 1000. Why we are writing last? Because each item you will get a mark. Suppose if you are spending more time on bad debt means your mark only will go, that's why last you write bad debt 1500, add further bad debt, it is given 1000. Okay, 2500, add new provision for in the trial balance, old provision it is not given, new provision for doubtful debt, new provision for doubtful debt. So to calculate new provision, so it is given that 5%. So from debtor it is given 53,000. So 53,000 minus further bad debt. So 52,000. 52,000 into 5%. 52,000 into 5%. So 2,600. So 5,100 because no provision for discount on debtor. No provision for discount on no, sorry, no old provision. Credit side, no provision for doubtful debtor. Okay. Now we will write a provision for next one, to provision for discount on debtor. To provision for discount on debtor. Provision for a discount on debtor. Provision for discount on debtor. So provision for discount on debtor, how to calculate? $49,400. So discount on debtor, no need to calculate. Already given. Okay, already given in the question. Then no need. Otherwise, from debtor you have to minus further bad debt and a new provision into percentage. If here directly it is given, very easy. So if it is directly, if a new provision and the discount debtor it is given, means it is very easy. Okay, now you have to look at each adjustment. First over, second over, interest received on investment over, third wages and interest outstanding over, depreciation. To depreciation on motor car. Depreciation on motor car. 5% it is given. So 25,000. Inside the trial balance motor car is given 25,000 into 5%. So 1,250. 1,250. Okay, so closing stock, everything it is over. Okay, so now time is over. Now I think that you can do remaining balance sheet. Okay, this you have to calculate net profit, and you have to calculate net profit and the balance sheet.